Yep, people. Right now, I'm about to pick some ackee. Pick some ackee off of the tree. Yeah, so we have the rake here. I'm going to use the rake here and oh, so one right there, so yeah. See it? Natural. So anything with my hand can catch, use the rake. So the next one right there, so yeah. Ackee. Well whopping. So another one right there, so ackee well whopping. So anything we can catch, like the one over here, so use the rake and pull it down. Ackee me a look away you there. Ackee me a look away you there. Yeah. Yeah, straight your TV. A long time I not going on a natural video out in a Mother Earth. You see me? Yeah. Some natural video where you know say. You see me? I remember Florida we there, you know. Florida we there. So you see the sun, everything you see how my face set up like when rain go fall because the sun hot. What that? Ackee we a look away you there. Them say feel laugh and kin your teeth and Ackee up right away. Ackee me a look away you there. Then say feel laugh and kin your teeth and Ackee up right away. Ackee me a look away you there. Away you there. Ackee where you there? Away you there. So one more yeah. 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 So we have some Ackee here now. Look like I hit that for Ackee. Supposed to get around 2 dozen. Supposed to get around 2 dozen Ackee. One I want open some more. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Long time I don't make no real natural video out in the earth, you see me? So yeah. So I just roll out my ladder and climb up on the Ackee tree. Yeah, look like I hit that, you know. Like I hit that for Ackee. And next, see one right there, so there. Yeah, peeps. You know, a rainy season, and if you don't pick them Ackee, you know they're going to pour up on the tree. See me? Anyway, you don't pick them, they're going to spoil up on the tree. So, that I go on from what I go on at the Ackee sound. Yeah. So, see it? Ackee. Let's see how much we get. Ackee. Ackee. Oh, this is one. Fever grass, this is no peeps. See there? Right as well. Fever grass, aka lemongrass. Make nice tea. Even if you blend out some, call it say you want to bust out some gas. You can put some lemongrass with water and cane leaf, the cane ban, the green cane ban and the green lemon leaf, grass in the blender with water and crush it out and strain it off with your cheesecloth or something fine and drink the water there. The amount of gas you bust out of your system, you wouldn't know. Yeah? Fever grass and cane ban, green, blend them with water. And it bust a lot of gas. Even a piece of ginger alongside that. But if you don't know ginger, that's okay. You see me? A whole heap of ackee, you know. Look like around 3 dozen. Whole heap of ackee, Jano. Can get a natural eat. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Ackee me a look how you there. Laugh ackee I go open. Them say fi laugh and a ackee tree and ackee open. And when you no see none, you will see plenty of them. Ackee me a look how you there. Look here, look here, look here. Ackee me a look how you still a pick up peeps. Still a pick up. Yeah. Jano star. I can't get no ackee off a tree. I have to buy it in a tin, cause that's how me love ackee, you see me? So, you can pass through. Yeah. And I go down there so I look some mango when I'm done. I look some mango when I'm done. Down I want tree down there so. Yeah, peeps, I think I hit that. As you can see. See it there? Whole heap of ackee. Whole heap of ackee, people. Yeah, like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Out there with there in a mama earth. You see me? Give some natural ingredients. Yeah, see that? Ackee we are look away there. What you know about this? You see me? What do you know about this? Natural. So, you know a dumpling thing that you know. You know a dumpling thing. So, yeah. I remember I know my ackee tree, so nobody beg me no ackee. I pick me come pick ackee. See there? Natural thing. Ackee. Yeah, my peeps. So, we are going to mash up some ackee and dumpling with piece of yellow yam and some green banana. So, you know, we need the saltfish with it. And if we don't get no saltfish, we're going the same way, because guess what? Ackee nice with anything, anyhow, anything, anyhow. If you want to cook ackee and rice, yes, yo, you know what nice different from dumpling and ackee? Rice and peas. We call it nice and peas and ackee and saltfish. As me tell you, you don't have to have saltfish. So that can't stop your show. You see me? For real, if you make that stop your show, you is a poppy show. Now you know. Alright. So I go down the road, I look some mango. After one of them tree down there, so. And that's it. So like, share and subscribe. And follow me. We are go down there so go pick some mango. So now we see where they go on. And if no mango no down there, we still see where they go on. Thank you for watching the ackee video. Stay tuned for the mango video. They go hitch on and touch on this same video. One shot me a shot and we don't filter nothing. Raw thing, no editing. So like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Street Youth! Great Youth! Beat them like a beetroot. Now you see it and now you know. I don't know, Papi show. This is a ackee show. You see me? I know Papi show. This is a ackee show. Now you see it and now you know. And the ackee them nice, you know. Yeah, no. Ackee them nice, man, I lie you. See that? Tune in. How much dozen you want? Make your order. Because they not come in a tin rather. Alright. What is it? Yeah, that I go on. So I put my little portion in the car right so. You know, we have to segment up the Ackee and give the owner for the tree for them. So me get like 2 dozen and the gear probably around 2.5 dozen a gear. Cause I fear a tree. Can't climb here and not get none. You're mad? Ackee am a food. Don't get too rude. Natural Ackee them so. So I mash up them Ackee here. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this is where we are going with us, so we are going to mash up them Ackee here, cause you see me? Get them on the truck. Can't waste nothing in them. Real Ackee. That's how you deal with it. See? Swag one. Natural. Pop out the seed them. Clean out them thing out of the middle. Like a meat you clean up. Not like you all do your chicken and you clean up the chicken. Yeah, but this is a different thing, you see me? We call it Jamaican national dish. It's a part of it. It's the Ackee seed. Yeah, peeps, like, share, and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. Normally, when just comes up, boom, boom, and it's drop out. So they read something in the middle, so you have to make sure you clean out this. You don't want this. This is not a part of the what we are consuming, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Like, share, and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. You don't know what time it is. I'm out.